How to drill something accurately at a 90-degree angle. You can make a special tool for this yourself. Simple homemade tool for woodworking. To make the tool, you will need a small rectangular wooden block. Mark the wooden block with lines, as shown in the video. Now cut the block along the lines with a circular saw. You can also cut it with a hand saw. Draw additional lines. Saw again along the new lines. Sand the block. Insert a metal corner into the recess in the block. Drill a hole in the corner. Secure the corner to the bar with a self-tapping screw. Attach a furniture handle to the bar with self-tapping screws. You will hold the tool by this handle. Amazing homemade tool is ready. Try drilling something. Place the tool on the board. As you can see, there is exactly a 90-degree angle between the metal corner bracket and the board. Drill the board, pressing the drill against the tool. The drilling is done at an angle of exactly 90 degrees. And so, every drill hole made with this tool will be at an angle of 90 degrees.